The PetFusion BetterBin 10-gallon is a versatile storage solution designed for pet owners, offering a generous capacity of 10 gallons, which can hold up to 25 pounds of dry dog or cat food. Its smart design features locking clips that securely keep litter inside while preventing moisture and humidity from getting in, ensuring the contents remain fresh. A unique adjustable spout allows for easy control of litter pouring, reducing dust and making the refilling process smooth and convenient. The bin is compact enough to fit into a closet or cabinet, yet provides the flexibility to store litter in multiple locations, making it a practical choice for any home. With heavy-duty wheels and a top handle, the BetterBin is easy to move between rooms, adding to its convenience and functionality. Made from durable polypropylene plastic, this litter storage container is built to last, promising years of reliable use while being environmentally friendly as it is 100% recyclable.